Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. So today's video is all about the different ways to make money through this app as a small creator. So we're going to cover some traditional routes like through YouTube ad revenue, the partner program, and even brand deals. But then we'll go into some other routes like having your own brand, your own merchandise, your own products. So let's get into today's video. Now, starting with the YouTube partner program, this program changes all the time. So as of right now, even if you're not monetized with ads on your videos yet, you can still become a partner with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. And with that avenue, you're able to get super chats if you go live, and you're able to activate channel memberships. And so this is still a good way to make income as a smaller channel if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. However, there are also other ways to make income, whether you have 500 subscribers or maybe even you have thousands of subscribers but you're not making a lot through monetization, or you're not monetized yet. Another way is through brand deals. Now, this may seem far-fetched to some, especially if you are a smaller creator or never thought about getting brand deals before. My first brand deal, they actually reached out to me, and I'll be transparent, I did have a couple thousand subscribers, but not as many as I have now. And you know what, one of the biggest things I'll say, if you want to be able to have brand deals sooner in the future, is start having a way to track engagement, like having an Amazon storefront link, or having a link to a personal website, or having a link to join your email list. You want to be able to start tracking how people are taking action after watching your video, because that'll give you leverage with these brands, especially if you are a smaller channel. You know, depending on how big your channel is, when I got my first brand deal and they came to me and they said, hey, we want to offer you $900. And I said, okay. And I said, I want to make more than that, but how can I justify? I asked for more. They said, Natalie, looking at your channel, we want to give you more, but you just don't have the numbers that we're looking for, because my subscriber count was low. However, I, like maybe some of you, had a video or two that was performing really, really well. But also I had a way to show them that people aren't just watching my videos. My videos and my reach is not just limited to my subscriber count. I have this video performing really well, and also I can show you how 75% of my website traffic is coming from my YouTube channel, which proves that people don't just watch my videos, they watch my videos and they take action. So one way that you can start to track that, my suggestion is to create an Amazon storefront, have that link in all your videos, and whenever you mention anything in a video, anything I mention, I'm gonna link it some way so that I can start to track how people are taking action as they're watching my video. This will give you more leverage with a brand. And so I got offered $900 for a brand deal. I was able to mix it up, add some things, show my case, justify my case, show my worth, and at the end of that, I got paid around $10,000. And these brands, they care. The numbers are a good indicator of how well you're going to do, but your engagement, that's what they want to see. If you can show them these people are clicking these links, they want people to click on their links. Start having a way to track link clicks in the beginning with your channel so that you're able to show brands, listen, we get movement over here, we get traction over here. They care about that. Now, the next way is by branding yourself and then selling products that align with that brand. So I remember when I was starting my channel and I was still small, I had a clothing store that was selling wholesale clothing. But I realized, okay, I have an audience here who's listening to me talk about business. They're also listening to me talk about faith. I'm sharing what I'm passionate about. And so my question became, as I'm sharing what I'm passionate about on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram, how can I also use this as a way to increase my income as well? And so I branded myself and then sold products that align with that. So I realized I'm a faith-based entrepreneur. I'm fearless in everything I do. So most of y'all know the story by now. I created a whole line called the Fearless Collection. So I made t-shirts, mugs, journals, things that aligned with myself and who I created as a brand, and I was able to sell those things as a way to make extra income. Another thing that I was able to sell was my book. So I'm a published author, self-published, and I have a 30-day devotional for entrepreneurs. What's most important when it comes to making money as a small creator is having a community. Literally, having a community is like the #1 thing that has helped me be successful in everything I've done, even when I had very minimal, under 1,000 subscribers. These are the things that companies now, big companies, are starting to also focus on. Y'all may know, if you've been here for a while, I was on a team at Microsoft helping them get better establishing their community. Community is important, and all that means is that even when you have a small following, you're building personal relationship with them. They feel connected to you, and with that, they're able to support you in everything you do, in everything that relates to them. So in order to build a community, it's important first to have a brand. And a brand is such a word that means so many different things, but all I mean by that is have a theme or something that you stand by. For me, I stand by faith-based entrepreneur. And so community is like the #1 thing as a small creator to focus on. Any creator should focus on, but especially as a small one. And so when it comes to building a community, this means that you're focused on relationship. You're not just focused on growing for numbers' sake. We see this happen all the time with influencers who are big because of numbers' sake, but they try to turn around and sell something and nobody buys it. There was this case that went out, this influencer who had millions of followers. She put out a t-shirt line and she barely made $1,000. And it's like, yeah, because the numbers don't always equal sales. And so as a business owner and as a creator, and even for these brands, they care more about engagement and community and people more than the numbers. I, as a business owner, care more about my sales, my dollars, more than follower count. Like, as a creator, I care more about who's engaging with me more than my subscriber count. Your subscriber count should not limit you. This should just push you to continue to focus on who's here. And I think a huge mistake people make is they neglect who's already here to try to get more. As a business owner, there is a time for outreach to grow, and there's also a time for nurturing, to focus on who's already there. When I first started my clothing store and I had maybe 39 email subscribers, that did not stop me, because what happened was those 39 people on my email list were loyal. They were repeat customers. It's cheaper to retain a customer than it is to acquire a customer. All these different terms I'm sharing with you all just emphasize the importance of community in everything you do. And so as you are a small creator now, or whatever creator you are, but this video is for small creators like myself, as a small creator, let your focus be on who's already there. And so what are some ways to start growing your community within your channel or within any platform you're on? Start sharing your personal experiences, have boundaries, but share about your journey. Sharing a journey always brings people in and keeps them connected. Do Q&As, go live. And people say, how do I go live? Who am I talking to? There's nobody there. I hope y'all remember my story, okay? And I'm gonna tell y'all every chance I get, because what you see now was not always what it was. When I started going live, I had 50 subscribers. I would have one or nobody joining the lives with me. It'll be usually me talking to myself, but I showed up, went live for 10 minutes no matter what, and kept that on my channel. Get to know who's there, ask them questions, respond to their questions and comments. Y'all will see on my videos, I usually respond to every single comment. Like, I'm talking to all y'all, and I remember y'all's faces, I remember y'all's names. When y'all comment on multiple videos, I'm like, oh hey girl, or hey dude, what's up? Because y'all are my people. And so even if you say like, who's this girl talking to? I'm talking to you, okay? One of the last ways that you can make money, even as a small creator, is if you are sharing valuable information like this, or teaching, or sharing anything. I've already told y'all this, but you can make your content valuable and then start selling digital products. And digital products is not just an ebook. An ebook is a great way, but also you can make templates, you can make planners, you can make stationery. Like, get creative. people are buying all types of things, and you can sell those things on your channel. You can sell them on Etsy. Let's get with it. And this has to be the year where we are just finding different ways to have multiple streams of income. That is the best way to hit your money goals. That's the best way to be able to live a comfortable life, is to have multiple streams of income. So get creative. I want y'all to sit and just map out from this video. Hopefully you're already getting ideas, but map out what are some things that you're innately good at. If you're organized, make a planner. And then as you're coming up with these ideas of different things to sell, come on YouTube or go on TikTok and make videos surrounding around that resource, that template, that ebook, that product. And so my hope for you guys is that this is the year where you're turning your ideas into income. And if you need help with that, come over here, I'll help you. But also I hope that my videos are giving you guys some encouragement, a push, and some knowledge to get started with making your goals a reality. Thank you guys for joining today's video. I can't wait to see you guys in my next one. Hit the subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys next time.